Good morning students, magandang buhay at mabuting tao. Ako muli si Sir CJ Luna at ngayon naman, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng systems of linear equations by elimination method. So, isa na naman tong paraan para makapag-solve tayo ng systems of linear equations in two variables, yung elimination method natin. Okay, so the objective of this method is to eliminate one of the variables to find the other variable. Kaya nga siya elimination. Okay? So let's start, no? Let's have our first example. So let's consider our system of equations x plus y equals 5 and x plus x minus y equals negative 7. So dito, itong method na to ay kailangan nating mag-add ng dalawang equations or subtract, okay, from another equation para makuha natin yung or para makapag-eliminate tayo ng isang variable, okay? So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng mga additive inverses sa ating mga inverse, okay? So, tignan mo yung ating given. We have x plus y equals 5, x minus y equals negative 7. Meron ba tayong variable dyan or letter na madaling eliminate, madaling tanggalin? Meron, di ba? Madaling tanggalin yung y. Kasi, we have positive y and negative y. So, we can cancel that. Okay? By addition. Di ba? Makakancel yan. So, gagawin natin ngayon, no? So, let's copy first the given. X plus y equals 5. X minus y equals negative 7. So, add natin yung dalawang to. Okay? Para matanggal yung y. Kasi, y plus negative y is 0. Okay? So, now, let's add x plus x, 2x. Kasi meron tayo ditong 1. Here, we also have 1. So, 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x. Now, let's add our constants. 5 plus negative 7. Kung matatandaan nyo, kapag ang ating mga numbers or integers ay magkaiba ng sign, subtract mo sila. Okay? So, 7 minus 5 is 2. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number, yung negative 7. So, negative 2 ang sagot. Okay? So, let's now solve for the value of x. Divide both sides by 2. So, ito, makancel na to. Dahil magiging 1x na lang yan. So, we have negative 2 divided by 2. That is negative 1. Okay? So, our x is negative 1. So, alam natin yung x ngayon. Ngayon, hahanapin natin yung ating y. So, pili ka kung anong gusto mong gamitin. Yung equation 1 ba or equation 2? Para hanapin yung value ng y. So, either of the two, pwede mo gamitin. Okay, let's just use equation 1. We have x plus y is equal to 5. So, our x is negative 1 plus y is equal to 5. So, transpose mo yung negative 1, combine like terms, we have y is equal to 5. Negative 1 becomes positive 1. So, our y is 6. Because 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay? So, our solution now is negative 1, 6. So, ganun lang siya kabilis, no? Ganun lang kadali. Halimbawa, naisip mong gamitin ay yung equation 2 para solve yung y. Tignan natin, no? Pakita ko sa inyo. So, we have x minus y is equal to negative 7. So, our x is negative 1. Minus y is equal to negative 7. Transpose negative 1. So, we have negative y is equal to negative 7. Negative 1, positive 1. Negative y is equal to negative 7 plus 1, negative 6. So, our y is negative. So, multiply mo yan ng negative 1 para maging positive y. So, our y now is equal to, this is positive y, negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. So, the same, no? Pareho lang siya dun. You'll get the same answer. Okay? So, our solution is negative 1, 6. Okay? To check, tignan natin, no? Checking. Let's have x plus y is equal to 5. So, our x is negative 1 plus 6 plus y is 6 is equal to 5. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5 equal to 5. Next, we have x minus y is equal to negative 7. Your x is negative 1 minus y is 6 is equal to negative 7. Negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7 equal to negative 7. Okay? So, yun. That is our first example. Okay? Review natin. Ang unang ginawa natin ay nag-eliminate tayo ng isang variable. At dito, madaling tanggalin yung y. Kasi meron tayong additive inverse. Meron tayong y, negative y. Okay? So, na-solve natin to. After mo i-solve yun, makukuha mo yung value ng x. After you get the value of x, you choose one of the two equations, no? Pili ka dyan, at ipalit mo yung value, yung nakuha mong value sa x. And then you will get the value of y. Okay? And, pagkatapos nun, yun na yung solution. Makuha mo na yung solution. Okay? So, let's have another example. Let's have this given. X minus 3y equals 7. Negative 3x minus 3y equals negative 9. So, meron ba kayong nakikitang mga additive inverses dito? Halimbawa ito. This is 1, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, 7, negative 9. So, ano mas madaling tanggalin dito? X or Y? Okay, so let's try to eliminate X dito, no? We will remove X. So, paano gagawin dito? So, let's copy first our given. X minus 3y equals 7. Negative 3x minus 3y equals negative 9. So, kung gusto mong tanggalin yung x dito niyan, kailangan maging pareho sila. Okay? So, ito ay negative 3. So, ito niyan, dapat maging opposite ng negative 3. Magiging positive 3 dapat to. So, what are we going to do para mangyari yon? We will multiply the whole equation by 3. Okay, para magkaroon tayo ng additive inverse. Okay, so let's solve. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3y is negative 9y. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, and then let's just copy our second equation. Negative 3x minus 3y equals negative 9. And then we will add. So, pag pinag-add mo to, 3 plus negative 3, 0. So, cancelled na yon. Okay? And then we have negative 9 plus negative 3. That is negative 12y. So, negative 12y is equal to 21 plus negative 9. That is positive 12. Okay? So, divide both sides by negative 12. Negative 12. So, y is equal to 12 divided by negative 12. That is negative 1. So, our y is negative 1. Let's now solve for the value of x. So, let's just use equation number 1. Okay, so we have x minus 3y is equal to 7. X minus 3 times your y is negative 1. So, equal to 7. So, let's solve. X, negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equals 7. Transpose x equals 7. Positive 3 becomes negative 3. So, our x is positive 4. So, the solution to our system of equation is 4, negative 1. Okay, this is our solution. Okay? So that is how you solve systems of equations by elimination. Ito, ginawa natin, gumawa tayo ng additive inverses para matanggal yung x. Okay? So, nag-multiply tayo ng 3 sa buong equation number 1 para magkaroon tayo ng positive 3. And then, na-cancel yung negative, yung natanggal yung x, na-eliminate yung x, at na-solve natin yung value ng y. So, after natin ma-solve yung value ng y, we substitute it to our equation number 1. Ayan. Okay, and then we solve, and we got the value of x. And para sa solution, ipag-combine mo lang yung x at saka yung y. Yung x mo ay 4, y mo ay negative 1. Okay? So, yun siya, no? That's example number 2. Okay, let's have our last example. We have the system of 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 2, and then 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. So, this is our equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay? So, let's rewrite our given. 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. Okay. So, looking at our given, anong mas madaling tanggalin? Yung x ba or yung y? Okay. So, pwede mo naman magtatanggalin kahit yung x or yung y. Okay? Kahit alin sa mga yon. So, para dito, pakita lang natin kung paano kung tanggalin natin yung x. Okay? Pero mas madaling tanggalin dito yung y. Okay? Kasi meron tayong 2, meron tayong positive 4. So, mas madaling tanggalin yung y dito. Okay? Pero para lang mapakita natin kung what if yung x yung tatanggalin. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong 2 at saka yung 3. Kanina sabi ko, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng additive inverses. Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng parehong number na magkaiba ng sign. Okay? So, ito, 2 at saka yung 3. So, ano gagawin natin para magkaroon tayo ng additive inverses? So, yung first equation natin, we can multiply it by 3. Ito naman, multiply it by negative 2. Okay, para ito ay maging 6, 3 times 2 is 6. Ito naman ay maging negative 6. Or kung gusto mo, yung negative, yung 3, yung negative, pwede rin yon. Ito naman maging positive. Ganyan. Okay, pwede rin yan. Okay, anyway, you'll get the same answer later. Okay po, so let's just have 3 negative 2. So, let's multiply, let's distribute. So, 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times 2, 2y is 6y, is equal to 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Negative 2 times 3x, that is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 4y, positive 8y. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. So, let's add 6 plus negative 6x, 0. Cancel na yon. 6y plus 8y, that is 14y, is equal to negative 6 plus negative 8, negative 14. Divide both sides by 14. We have y is equal to negative 14 divided by 14, that is negative 1. So, our y is negative 1. Okay? Now, let's solve for the value of x. Let's use equation number 1. So, we have 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Our y is negative 1. So, we have 2x plus 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. So, let's solve this one. 2x, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, is equal to negative 2. Transpose our constant, we will get negative 2 becomes positive 2. So, 2x is equal to negative 2 plus 2, 0. Divide both sides by 2. x is equal to 0 divided by 2 is 0. So, the solution is 0, negative 1. Okay? Okay, so, paano naman kung napili mo ay napili mo tanggalin ay yung y. So, pakita natin, no? Let's eliminate y. So, this is our solution, yung kanina, no? Huwag natin burahin. Let's see kung pareho pa rin yung makukuha nating solution. So, let's copy. 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. Let's eliminate y. So, kailangan maging pareho sila. Maging pareho na magkaiba ng sign. So, ito ay 4, ito ay 2. Madaling gawin yan by multiplying equation 1 by 2. Para ito ay maging positive 4, negative 4 naman to. Okay? So, let's multiply. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 2y, 4y. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4. So, shortcut na lang natin. Add tayo dito. Magiging 0 na yun. Na-eliminate na yung y. So, we have 3 plus 4, 7. So, 7x is equal to 4 plus negative 4, 0. Divide both sides by 7. So, x is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's solve for y by using equation 1. So, we have 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 2. Our x is 0. So, 2 times 0 plus 2y is equal to negative 2. 0 na to. So, we have 2y is equal to negative 2. Divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to negative 1. So, pareho lang, no? X is 0. Y is negative 1. So, we got the same solution, no? Kahit ang pinili mong tanggalin ay yung y or yung x. Okay po? So, yun. Ganun lang siya, no? So, sana alam niyo na kung paano mag-solve ng systems of linear equations by using the elimination method. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. God bless us all.